everyone. Today we are going to see a demo of the tool called Promethea Core. This tool is built to amplify development for forward deployed engineers. The idea here is like they can use this tool and build any production ready business use cases and process and deploy it in Azure. So it's based on all Azure PaaS services. So the scale is not a part, but then uh, Azure has a bunch of services putting together is super. You need to know all the service. Instead, here we are providing an easy interface. This is designed for a non-technical user as well. So you can see like there is some orchestrations in here. You can drag and drop like this, and then there are some utility tools to do data processing and extract information, convert to PDF or convert to JSON to HTML and stuff like that. And then we have this utility agents. These are specific agents. Some of them are generic, like the RAG and LLM call are generic, but like data collection is like how do you chunk it and how do you put it in a AI index, and data management or data integration connecting to SQL and other type of data sets. We have user story creation like that, document management, Jira connector, AI for BI. So there are a bunch of kind of pre-planned agents that are built, like radiology is an agent, testing is an agent, video processing is an agent. Video processing uses the video indexer to do the work behind it and content understanding. So all these are agents. So they have behind the scenes, they have multiple things that it does, like the tools and things like that that can be configured. Like this root cause agent, you can see the a description of what it can do, what are all the things its capabilities are. Each one, if you click, you will see like what each one can do. That's the idea here. And these are all like drag and drop, and you can actually build it. And you see the video, it's content creation, marketing material, internal communication. It uses the Sora, also Sora model number one, then creates avatar, workflow, services. So you can see all the past services behind the scene work together and put this thing together, right? Like this is now the idea of building. Now let's see a sample of like how to build one. This is a sample workflow that I have. You can actually upload the workflow from an JSON file, or you can export it as well. So I have an orchestration agent, and I have a code generator and a data collection agent. So data collection agent goes to the web and gets information. So I can actually test this by going in here to execute, and I just asked the question to do a SWOT analysis. It went to the web instead of doing the code generation, and it brings up the information. You can see like the lineage of like, how did it go through. What if you have multiple agents connected, it will show you which agent went through, and within that agent itself, what are the decision it took. Different, you can see like the wiki was one, open web search is another one, and then the web image search tool. So the tools that it actually picked up, they're all documented, and you can see like which are the tools that it got picked up as well. The same thing, now I wanted to test. So you can see it also shows up the image. If you want to generate a web page, you can click this and it'll generate a web page. Now we can also ask for like writing code. This is the other agent that I have. It went and created a machine learning code, how to use XGBoost, and then it also tells you like, what are the intermediary tools that it was using in between to generate it. So this is a simple very workflow, but you can actually do complicated workflow like this one. This is for a patient care, and you can see it goes through an entire list of like what needs to be done: clean the data, validate it, eligibility verification, diagnosis thing, claim validation, and then submitting the claim, and then processing it. All those things can be done. Now this also has a concept of vibe coding. So I generated this entire workflow based on the prompt that you're seeing in here. And then if you see the vibe code environment went through each and every step, like what it was picking and for what reason for each functionality, and then it is putting together, and then you can say apply workflow, and that pulls up in the UI over here. So you can see the power of the platform. You can sit with somebody and and build an entire flow. Now, does it only does that? No, we have like other services. Like if you're on the left hand side, if you see, we have like testing framework. So we can test multiple prompts with multiple models and with ground truth data sets and run and see it over here. You can actually see the observability dashboard, which also has a responsible AI in it. But you can also see all the users who are using, and based on like each agent how it is working. You can see the request by week, by date, by hour. You can see the usage, the token usage pretty much, mainly. You can see token by month, by hour, by application, total tokens. You can also see the execution in here. So you can see like we have observability dashboard baked in it as well. And then you can do model management. This is how we added more utility agents after agent. If we can create your own agent and add it in here as well. We have an integration to A365, so you can see like you can add an agent to A365 from after you're developed over here, or you can even you can see the Foundry agents that are showing up. You can even do that as well. um, and we also have like an if you look at there is also we have the help system in here. If you click here, you will see all the helps that we have, and you can like click on like each one of them, and it'll show you a sample of how to use it in an agent, right? So this is the power of this tool. As you can see, you can build it, and you can actually um, take from a full end-to-end development from zero to high in a full scale for production ready. And you can see there are 67 agents in 3 categories and 85 tools, and you can see the power of the system that can allow us to build faster and quicker. Thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, please reach out to us. Thank you. Have a great day.